Madina Company for soft drinks. We have been working in the field of soft drinks as well as purified water since 2003. The electricity consumption is very high, which increases the running cost of our facilities and assembly lines. Recently, we decided to reduce the running costs, so we decided to invest in solar energy system. We hired MegaPower for their great reputation to do the work for us and install PV system with total capacity of 557 kWp. MegaPower team took care of everything. They went above and beyond our expectations. We are surely satisfied with the final results and performance of the system, as we are thinking of adding more capacity to the system in the near future.